emergency for central Todd County, including Elkton. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a flash flood warning for Todd County, Kentucky, until 9 p.m. Sunday. At 2:50 p.m., Emergency Management reported evacuation of several homes in Elkton. Widespread flash flooding of small streams across both rural and urban areas is occurring. Between 4 and 6 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rounds of heavy rain are expected to move through Todd County through early this evening, which will only make the ongoing flooding situation worse. This is a flash flood emergency for central Todd County, including Elkton. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Expected hazards include life-threatening flash flooding, thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Severe weather has been confirmed by Emergency Management. The following impacts are expected. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Elkton, Clarksville, Guthrie, Trenton, Allegre, Justice, Allensville, and Clifty. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following county: Todd, Kentucky,